Welcome back to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. If you are new here in my YouTube channel, you are welcome, always welcome. For my old and my new subscribers, God bless you all. You guys are amazing. Guys, in this recipe, we are going to be making potatoes and chicken oven. That is what we are making. So those are my ingredients. This is my potato and this is my white pepper, and I have tomatoes and onions, lime and garlic and salt, guys. So now I'm going to be slicing the onions. Oh my god, guys, without onions I can't cook anything. Without onions, I love onions so much. I can even use 3 onions to cook my meal, so I love it so much. So without onions, I don't even think I can cook anything, especially when I want to make my chicken oven. I can't do without onions. Onions is very good. You can also, onion is very beneficial. You can also use it for many things. When you are having scratch on your eyes, you can also use onions. So now I am going to be dicing my garlic. Garlic is another beneficial uh, uh, thing. You can also use garlic for so many things. Garlic is very good for our health. Without garlic, I can't cook anything like stew, pasta, especially when I want to make my chicken oven. Without garlic, I can't do without garlic. Garlic is very good. I know many people don't like it because of the smell. I love it so much. So I am through dicing the garlic. I'm going to be putting it inside this white bowl. I'm going to be putting the garlic with the onions together, guys. I'm going to be putting them together. So I'm through with the onions. Now I'm going to be squeezing my lime inside this white bowl. Lime is very good, especially when you want to make chicken oven. It's very good. You can use it to make your sauce. It's very good. I love lime also. Lime, you can use lime for so many things. You can use it to make your tea. It's very good. Now I'm going to be adding my white pepper. I love to use white pepper as well. Now I'm adding my tomatoes as well. Oh my god, my parsley leaf is there. I didn't even notice that. So I am adding my pepper. I've had my tomatoes. Now I'm going to be adding 1 Maggi cube. So this is the sauce I'm going to use to make the potatoes. So now I'm adding my Maggi to it. So I'm just preparing the sauce. Now I'm adding my parsley leaf. Oh my god, this is another a vegetable leaf I love so much, parsley leaf. So now I am adding my onions and garlic. I have had my onions and garlic, so I'm going to be adding my olive extra oil. Olive extra oil. This is the oil I love to use because I am on diet. I don't want to eat anything that have fat. So I'm going to be stirring it together, guys. This is the salt I am going to use to prepare the potatoes. So I forgot to add my salt. Now I am adding my salt before I can stir it together. So now I'm going to be stirring it together. This sauce is actually the sauce I'm going to be using for my potatoes. Guys, this chicken potatoes oven is going to be delicious. I can feel it. It's going to be delicious. So I am stirring it together. I'm going to be putting the sauce aside. Then I will seasoning my chicken. I'm going to be pouring the chicken inside the big bowl so that I can have a space to season it very well. So now I'm going to be adding all the ingredients I need to add. I'm adding my red pepper, my red dry pepper. It's already ground. I've ground it. I just pour it inside the place. Now I'm adding my red pepper. Now I'm going to be adding my Maggi cube, 1 Maggi cube. So I will add my salt to it. So I'm adding my salt to it. Then I will add my nutmeg powder. Adding my nutmeg powder. Then I'm going to stir it together. I will start stirring them together to make sure that all the ingredients I have seasoning the chicken. So I will continue to stir it until they have mixed together. So I have to stir it very well until they are mixed together. So now I'm going to be putting the chicken aside. This is the pan I'm going to be using. This is the pan I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to place my foil paper. Let me put it very well. So I love to use foil paper so that the pan will not be so rough. So that is why I'm placing this foil paper. Now I'm going to be placing my chicken. You can see it, guys. So I have to put them so that because the pan is very small, I have to arrange it very well so that everything will just enter the pan. So I'm going to put the chicken aside. Then I will. This is my potato. It's already sliced, and now I'm going to be pouring the sauce I prepare. Now I will stir it together. You can see it, guys. It looks so delicious. Wow. So I will stir them together and continue to stir it together. This is how I love to prepare my potatoes anytime I want to make cheeky potatoes oven. So now I'm going to be pouring it inside the pan. I have to make sure that everything enters the pan because the pan is not that big at all. I have the big pan, but I don't want to use it. I just want it to be portable, so that is why I'm using this smaller pan. So everything is set now. You can see it, guys. Now I'm going to be placing it inside the oven for 30 minutes. You can see it's set. Wow. I can't wait for this food to get ready. So I'm going to place it. Before I do that, I'm going to add extra olive oil on top. Then I will place it inside the oven. So it's set, guys. Now I'm going to place it inside the oven for 30 minutes. Keep watching, guys. Wow, you can see my potatoes chicken oven is ready. Wow, this looks so delicious, guys. Come and join me. Come and join me. Let's eat it together. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. God bless you. Remember, Mommy T and V is ready to learn. See you on my next video. Bye and God bless you.